Hello students, welcome to this video. My name is Dr. S. Rohit Raj and I am from the Department of MBA, Jain College of Engineering, Belagavi. In this video, I will be explaining you about the PGCET syllabus and the important dates related to the PGCET online filling form as well as the dates. Well, PGCET is conducted by Karnataka Examination Authority. So KEA is governed by Governing Council headed by the Honorable Minister for Higher Education, Government of Karnataka. KPGCET, also called as Karnataka Post-Graduation Entrance Test, is a state level entrance examination conducted by KEA for admission to PG courses. When I say PG courses, it will be MBA, MCA, MTech and ME programs. Well, in this video I will be explaining more about MBA entrance examination and the syllabus related to this. PGCET entrance examination, the first part will be proficiency in English language, that is called as section A. In that you will be studying synonyms, antonyms, one word substitution, idioms and phrases, pairs expressing relationship, grammar, famous books in English literature and so on. Well, in the section B, you should be very wise and you should be knowing about the current news analysis or current affairs, both related to Indian as well as global market. So that section is called general knowledge. And the third section, that is section C, is called test of reasoning and general, wherein you are dealing with the topics related to puzzles, diagrams, analogy, logic, verbal ability, analytical ability, related aspects. And in the last section, that is called as quantitative analysis, we will be dealing with arithmetic, data analysis and interpretation, statistics, related quantitative aspects. Well, all of you are waiting for the important dates which I will be telling you in this video. Before that, all of you will be having one thing in your mind. Who can take PGCET examination? So it is applicable to all the students who are in final year or the students who are planning to pursue their higher education like MBA in Karnataka. So they have to take either of one entrance examination, that is PGCET or KMAT. Coming to the important dates hosted by the Karnataka Examination Authority. Hosting of information bulletin of PGCET 2020 will be on 15th June 2020 after 2 p.m. onwards. Commencement of entry of application online from 4 p.m. on 15 June 2020. Last date to enter application details online up to 5:30 p.m. on 28 June 2020. Last date to pay the fees in the bank. This is very important, students. Please underline 30th June 2020. Downloading of admission tickets on or after 27th July 2020 from 4 p.m. onwards. Well, as of now, in the KEA website, they have even mentioned about the examination dates. 9th August, please remember 9th August 2020, that is on Sunday, the entrance examination for MBA is scheduled. PGCET entrance examination is scheduled. That is, the timing is 2:30 p.m. to 4:30 p.m. and the maximum marks for this examination is 100. This is all about the PGCET entrance examination. Now I'll be briefing you about the KMAT, that is Karnataka Management Aptitude Test, the important dates, which is mentioned or displayed in the official website of KMAT. Online registration ends on 2nd August 2020, that is on Sunday. Admit card release date is 20th August 2020, that is on Thursday. KMAT 2020 test date will be on 23rd August 2020, that is on Sunday again. Then KMAT 2020 release date, that is the result release date, is on 3rd September 2020, that is on Thursday. Remember students, dates are subject to change. So what you have to do for this after seeing this video, very important thing is you have to mark certain websites which are very, very important to you, where all the information is published. So here you can see some of the websites like KEA PGCT website, KMAT website, and if you want to know more about the courses which Jain College of Engineering is offering, you can visit the official website of Jain College of Engineering. Remember, the dates are very, very important, so kindly visit the official website of both KEA, PGCT dates as well as KMAT dates. Thank you so much for watching this video, students. All the very best for your future endeavors. All the best.